Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying what the app can see. Open settings and confirm photos or media permission is granted. Once done, quit the app and perform a quick device restart to clear stalled processes that block selection. Make sure there is at least one image in the exact album or folder you are using. Apps sometimes hide empty or unsupported folders. If the app uses cloud photos, wait for synchronization to complete so local thumbnails become selectable. Next, focus on the selection interface itself and how the app expects you to pick items. You should look for a multi-select toggle, checkboxes, or a long press gesture. Apps differ, and trying the alternate method often resolves the issue. Once you try one method, switch album view or grid density because some UIs hide selection handles at certain zoom levels. If you use a keyboard or accessibility controls, try selecting that way to bypass broken touch targets. To finish, attempt the quick fixes that eliminate persistent UI bugs. Clear the app cache or reinstall the app, then reopen the target album and try selecting photos again. If selection still fails, open the same folder in a different photo app to confirm files are valid rather than corrupted. If problems continue, take a screenshot and note the exact steps that reproduce the issue. That information is the single most useful troubleshooting tip when you report the bug.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.